Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to create professional videos without spending a fortune in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the latest Invideo coupon codes to get the maximum discount on your subscription so you can start producing amazing content for less. Let's be honest, video editing can be expensive and paying full price for software isn't ideal if you're just starting out. That's where Invideo comes in. It's an easy-to-use online video editor that lets you create high-quality videos in minutes, even if you have no prior experience. Here's why Invideo is worth checking out in 2025. Beginner-friendly, drag-and-drop editor with pre-made templates, extensive media library, stock videos, music and animations included, high-quality export videos up to 1080p without watermarks with Pro Plan, versatile, perfect for YouTube, social media, ads, and business videos. Affordable pricing, especially when using coupon codes. Now let's talk about the Invideo coupon codes for 2025. Invideo 50, save 50% on the annual plan. Max discount 25. Extra 25% off limited time promotions. Invideo 2025, special seasonal discount for 2025 subscriptions. Pro 10 off, $10 off your first Pro Plan purchase. INV Creator 30. 30% off bundles with stock media and templates. Here's how to use an Invideo coupon code. Click the affiliate link in my description to go to the Invideo pricing page. Choose your plan, monthly or annual. During checkout, enter your coupon code in the Apply Coupon box. Watch your total drop and enjoy your discounted plan. If the codes don't work, don't worry. The link in my description automatically applies the best available discount so you never miss out. Pro tip: the annual plan with these coupons gives you the best value, plus unlimited access to templates and premium media. Perfect if you plan to create videos regularly. So that's it. If you want to save money and start making professional videos quickly, click the link in my description to grab your Invideo coupon code today. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more video editing deals and tutorials, and comment below with the type of videos you're planning to create. I'd love to see your ideas. Remember, with these Invideo coupon codes, you can create our professional quality videos at the maximum discount available in 2025.